Next, do not give up your favorite meals. I don't know if you know this, but there has never been a taco that has made someone gain 5 pounds. I've never seen a person gain an extra 7 pounds from eating some potatoes. Never seen one individual that gained 12 pounds by eating rice. All right. If you enjoy certain foods or a certain style of meals, if you like pasta, if you like mac and cheese, if you like whatever it is that you enjoy that makes you feel fulfilled, right? That makes you feel satisfied, you don't have to give that up just to lose weight. Write this down, please. What causes weight gain is consuming too many extra calories that you're not burning off consistently. What causes weight loss is consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. All right. So let's just say you're 225 pounds, and to start losing weight, you lower your calories to 2,000 calories per day. This is just an example. If you lower your calories to 2,000 calories per day to start losing weight, and let's say one day you have some mac and cheese, you have some tacos, you have a burrito bowl with some rice, and the total calories for that day was 1,800 calories. I don't care about those meals that you ate. If the calories for those meals total was 1,800 calories, and the calorie limit that you have for that day to lose weight is 2,000 calories, you will still lose weight regardless of the meals and the individual food choices, because it's about the total energy that you put into your body, right? Not the actual food choices. I don't care what anyone else tells you, right? Our clients in our coaching program consistently have mac and cheese twice a week if they want it. They'll have a burrito bowl that has rice or potatoes for lunch 4 times per week, however often that they want. Now, obviously, we prioritize making sure that they hit their vegetable intake, making sure that they hit all their micronutrients for health reasons, right? But if you have a way of eating that you enjoy, that makes you stick with your diet for the long term, why would you not eat that way if that's how you actually enjoy eating just to lose weight? Because what happens when that diet is over? What happens once you stop that keto diet and you incorporate those foods that you really enjoy? You start incorporating pizza again, right? You start incorporating mac and cheese or any style of pasta, anything like that again. You haven't learned the behavior changes. You haven't learned anything tangible. You haven't learned how to track your calories so you know your total intake for the day. And doing it for a period of time so you can get to the point where you can start eyeballing and learning how much food you actually need to put in to stay at your current weight, right? I was on a free coaching call not that long ago with this guy. He had about 42 pounds to lose. He was real specific with it. He's like, I need to lose 42 pounds. He was West Indian, and he was talking about the food choices that's a part of his culture that he loves, which is like the potatoes, the rice dishes, and things like that. And he talked about how he cut them out, and he said it with such conviction as if he know that he had to get rid of that. He's like, I already cut out the rices, I already cut out those things. I'm just trying to lose a little bit more weight. And I had to stop him. I said, okay, so this is your plan to lose weight moving forward, to continue to cut out those foods and just continue to diet down. He was like, yeah, that's how you lose weight. Then I asked him, how are you enjoying this way of eating on a scale of 1 to 10? And he said like a 3.5. And at that point was when I asked him how much weight did he have to lose. And that's when he told me the 42 pounds. And from there, I said, okay, well, what happens once you get down to that 42 pounds? What's the plan after that? How are you going to maintain that weight? Are you going to start back eating the foods that you want? And he said, yeah, a little bit. So I asked him, why would you cut out those foods that you know you're going to go back to once you lose this weight, when you can still have those foods, stick with your diet and see it through and just learn how to eat better. Learn what matters. Learn how to weigh out those foods that you enjoy, the potatoes, so that you can know that, okay, 200 grams of potatoes is 200 calories. So if my total calories for the day is 1,800, I can still eat 1,600 more calories while working this potato into my diet. You know exactly the amounts of foods that you can have, right? You learn how to incorporate those foods that you enjoy and realize that it's about the calories and the protein intake, and then the carbs and fats, they can fluctuate based off of the food choices that you want. If you want more avocado, you know that that's going to be a little bit more fat in your diet. If you want foods like the rice and things like that, you know that's going to be a little bit more carbs. It doesn't matter which food choices that you have after you've already prioritized the amount of calories you need to consume and the amount of protein that you need to consume. And once you hit those two, the calories from the carbs and the fats do not matter as long as you're within a calorie deficit. So we had this conversation, and these are the conversations that I have on all of our free coaching calls, which you can grab down below if you just tap the link in the description, or if you're watching this on Instagram, the link's in the bio. And we talk about putting together a specific plan for you to go about your eating within a meal plan. And the meal plans are not for you to be super strict and rigid, but for you to learn how to structure out your meals and learn how to look at the calories and learn how to make substitutions and be flexible with your food choices as long as you're prioritizing the calories and the protein and then working in those foods that you really want after that. So don't give up your favorite meals. Learn how to eat, learn what the priorities are, and then you can be flexible with your choices that you make after that.